Water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12 and vitamin C. Water soluble vitamins can dissolve in water. Vitamins are nutrients that the body needs in small amounts to stay healthy. Water soluble vitamins are carried to the body's tissues but are not stored in the body. They must be continually supplied in the diet. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 also called as thiamine. Functions of vitamin B1. It provides energy for the body. It helps in conduction of nerve signals. Provide energy for the brain, for the formation of RBC. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. It is of two types, wet beriberi and dry beriberi. Symptoms of beriberi: difficulty in breathing, paralysis, pain in the limbs, swollen feet, enlarged heart or fast heart rate, tingling in hands and feet. Thiamine deficiency also causes vomiting, fits, loss of appetite. Sources of vitamin B1: cereals, beans, peas, oil seeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish and eggs. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 also called as riboflavin. Functions of riboflavin: it boosts immunity, maintain proper energy levels necessary for normal embryo development. It fights headache. It improves vision. It improves blood glucose levels. Riboflavin protects nervous system. It also promotes growth of muscles. Riboflavin also useful for healthy skin and hair. Vitamin B2 deficiency causes glossitis, that is inflammation of the tongue. Tongue swells in size and color change to red. Riboflavin deficiency causes mouth cracks at corners, red and sore tongue, photophobia, hypersensitivity of light to eyes, scaly skin, migraine, weakness. Riboflavin can be available in milk, eggs, liver, kidney, green leafy vegetables. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is also called as niacin. Functions of vitamin B3: it promotes healthy skin and tissues, helps in digestion and nervous system. It is used for energy. It helps in metabolisms. It can help to treat diabetes. It improves cholesterol levels. Vitamin B3 helps to lower cardiovascular risks, treat arthritis. Deficiency of vitamin B3 causes pellagra. Symptoms of this disease: dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia, scaly skin. Depression, loss of memory, inflammation of the skin. Sources of vitamin B3 are meat, egg, fish, liver and oil seeds. Vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 also called as pantothenic acid. Functions of vitamin B5: it helps in synthesis of vitamin A and D, fatty acid synthesis, strengthens immune system, build up stamina, helps in energy production. It is essential for the formation of hemoglobin. It reduces stress. It promotes healthy skin and hair. Deficiency of vitamin B5 causes burning feet, Vitamin B5 deficiency also causes walking problems, sprain. Sources of vitamin B5 are sweet potatoes, groundnuts, vegetables, liver, kidney, and egg.